Want to add cinematic cutscenes to your Roblox game? Here's how to make interactive cutscenes. Step 1. Open Roblox Studio. Go to the View tab and enable the Explorer and Properties panels. Step 2. Insert a camera object under Workspace and set its type to scriptable so you can control it via script. Step 3. Create a cutscene folder to hold your camera positions. Use parts or CF frames to define the path. Step 4. Insert a local script into Start Player Scripts and write your camera transition logic using Tween Service or Lerb for smooth motion. Step 5. Add UI buttons or keybind prompt to let the player make choices like follow NPC or run away. Step 6. Use bindable events to trigger camera different paths or dialogue based on the player's decisions. Step 7. After the cutscene, reset the camera type to custom so the player regains control. Bonus type. Test your cutscenes in play mode, check timing, choices, and camera angles. And that's it. Your Roblox game now has dynamic interactive cutscenes, just like the pros. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.